This is a 10-minute workout for better health. So this is about you and I taking control of your future health. So we've got low impact as well as a seated option. So this workout is suitable for everyone. And we're going to start with a very quick warm up. So just follow along, just give me 10 of these. So you can either follow on the left in the seated or we're doing the standing. We have got Princess Raisin joining us today as well. So just now take your arms in front. Now we're just going to draw the arms back. So we're just going to open up through the upper body. Just doing 10 reps of these. And now let's work through the waist and I want you just to do these little reach round just so we're increasing the core body temperature and just working through your core mobility as well. So now we're ready to do the workout. We're going to have a preview of the first move. So if you're standing, we're just going to do these hamstring curls. We go from single to double. If you're seated, imagine we're just doing swimming arms with a leg lift. So we're going to get ready and come into position. So we're doing this for 45 seconds. So we've got single to then double hamstring if you're doing the standing. So 10 minutes today, 10 moves, each one 45 seconds. So it is a full body workout for better health. This is going to work on mobility. We're working on your heart health. This is really good to prevent pre-diabetes type 2 as well. And this is where exercise is really key for our better health. And just keeping that going. So doing really well on the seated one. Just imagine we're swimming with those arms, keep those core muscles tight and just relax. All right, well done. So that's move 1 done out of 10. And what we're going to do, we'll have a look at your next move coming up. So for this one, we're going to do knee drives if you're seated for 4. And then if you're standing, we're going to draw those arms down and draw the knee up for 4. So just following along to the exercise, seated or standing. And again, 45 seconds. So this one here is great. Again, we're working your upper body. We're working through the core. Keeping that really focused. And also if you're seated, still make sure you're keeping that upper body nice and tall for me. Drive that up. Draw that knee over. And if you have limited mobility and you're unable to work through the legs, and just follow along with the upper body movement equally. If you can't use the arms, then just follow along with the lower body. All right, so just march it out. Let's have a look at your next move coming up. So this one, seated, we're going to do straight leg lifts for 4. If you're standing, we're going to do a side step and then punches. So step across and give me power punches for 3. Step it over, power punches for 3. Seated, just give me 4 of these leg lifts. So for me as your trainer, I wanted to make sure that this workout was suitable for everyone. So if you're recovering from an injury, you can still work out because we've got that seated option. All right, that's good. And reaching that across, put power through those punches, keeping the upper body straight if we're seated. So we're working a little bit more through the front of the thigh. This is also really good to help look after knee health as well. Reaching that across, that's good, and well done. All right, so just take a little bit of recovery, deep breath in, deep breath out, and then we'll have a look at our next move coming up. So if we're doing the standing, we're doing straight leg kicks, and then if we're doing the seated, we're doing punches. So we're going to tap the foot out and then just do the punches. Tap the foot out and just punches. If you're standing, we're just doing these straight leg kicks. Keep that upper body straight. And let me just tell you how hard this was to film and create these series of workouts for you. So please bear with me. It was not easy doing this, but I wanted to make sure I had something that was suitable for everyone. All right, that's good. So we tap that foot out, give me those fast power punches. So if we're seated, really put power between each punch. Just do that lateral side step. And just focus on how strong you are. Be proud that you and I right now are taking control of your future health. And well done. All right, so let's just march out and we'll just have a little look now at your next move coming up. So for this one, if you're seated, just imagine we're putting something down, then we're just putting it up, and then we're just going to do calf raises with a bicep curl. If you're doing standing, we're going to squat down for 3, and then we're going to reach up onto those toes for 3. So you're alternating. And again, just follow along, just mimic what I'm doing, either the seated or the standing. That's good. Keeping that nice and strong, that's good. Reaching that up. So working here on your mobility, your flexibility, your balance, your core strength, your core stability. And also, because we're working major muscle groups, this is really going to help to increase our calorie burn. So we're getting healthy and fit. And let's just have a little bit of recovery. And also, as we know, exercise is really good to help manage blood sugar levels as well. So this is where it's really good if someone is pre-diabetes too. This we can help reverse. So now let's get ready and just imagine you're doing a sprint. So if you're seated, we're going to go for these fast arms for 4 or 8 even, and then just give me those knee drives. And if you're doing this standing, we're just going to keep working on that one leg, then halfway through we'll change. Keep that focus, that's good. Now change legs if you're standing. If you're seated, give me those knee drives, and then I think it's 8 or 10 arms. Just do whatever feels comfortable. Keep that going, and just sprinting. You are fast, you are strong, just remember that. All right, that's good, and nearly done. Perfect. All right, so just march out, take a deep breath in, deep breath out. So for the next move, if you're standing, we're doing a side step, and then we're doing 2 straight leg kicks. Seated, we're just doing a knee raise and then tap the foot out. Knee raise, knee raise. So just follow along. And we are well over halfway now, so literally nearly finished today's workout. And that's all it takes. And there's so much scientific evidence now that shorter workouts are way more powerful than longer workouts, and it's better to break them down and do them throughout the day. So that's why I'm going to suggest this 10-minute workout. You do this for the next 7 days. Do it in the morning, then also do it later on in the day. All right, that's good. And that helps with blood circulation. It helps with our energy levels as well. And just keeping that going. For some reason on the right, we've finished early on that one. Anyway, all right, that's good. So let's just march out, have a look at your next move coming up. So for this one, we're going to do this powerful side reach, step out and punch those arms down. And just follow along on the seated one. But the key is just keep moving. That's what I wanted to do in 10 minutes with you today, you and I at home. We're just moving your body. And if you enjoy doing the home workouts, I do have my downloadable home exercise workout cards. And I've got everything from indoor walking, body weight, standing, arms, there's limited mobility, beginners running. It's just a really fun way you can create your own home workout. I'll leave all the details in the description down below. Let's just keep going. So this is a really lovely lateral move on there, and well done. So just march out, take a deep breath in, deep breath out. So we'll have a look at your next move coming up. So for this one, we're going to just do a punch in front with a leg extension at the same time. If you're doing the standing, just give me that step back lunge and a bit of a bicep curl. Keep that upper body nice and straight. And the second time you come back to do this workout, you'll be more familiar with the moves, so it'll be easier. But this also really tests your mind and body connection and muscle connection. So this will help improve our brain fitness, our what we call motor skills as well. All right, that's good. Keeping that going. So nearly finished on this move. Doing really well. So punch those arms in front. Nice, powerful punch. And then we've just got a tail. I don't know if that's Princess Sultana or Princess Raisin's tail on the right. but it'll be one of them. All right, so let's just march out. Deep breath in, deep breath out, and we'll have a little look at your next move coming up. So this one, really nice lateral move. So if you're standing, reach your arms up, then you'll step out to the side, alternating either sides. For seated, bring those arms up and give me a toe tap. Really lovely move. This is the final move for our 10 minutes we've just done. So let's just keep going and be super proud of yourself. And just think how incredible your body is right now. It's allowed you to do this exercise. That's good. So halfway through on this one, keep strong, keep focused. Keep watching the tail, and then it's disappeared. All right, that's good. Last little bit, all the way until the arrow reaches the top. So we're controlling that move, that's good. And well done. So just march out. Let's slowly start to bring that heart rate back down. And what I will do, I'll leave details of a cool down stretch in the description down below. And that is now your 10-minute workout complete. So well done, and just think what you and I and Princess Raisin have just done is invested in your future health.